Hey guys, this is a video we promised about all our boxes
and everything. So yeah, we're back from Florida, and we're ready to do our big unboxing. We're gonna start with these smaller boxes and move up to the biggest box. So yeah, the first one. We got all right. These are we
mine.
got our. Oh, sorry. What's that? We got our Crown Chromies. Sorry if you can. Yep, you can see.
Those are mine.
My McNeil red bell caps.
Yep.
I'll show you them after.
Those are sick.
These I was supposed to surprise my brother with to put in his gold stem. They're they're red.
They're nice colors.
And two McNeil
Yellow
cable holders.
Red this.
Yellow and red.
And here's the receipt for that box. Where the crap is
Oh,
it?
we still got more.
$141, but we still have more.
Is that mine or yours? I think it's mine. Oh yeah, this is mine. This is my free dance comp shirt. Yeah. Put it right here. Oh, that's mine. Well, this is my Colt. I've been waiting to order this, but I always put this at the last on my list. This is my Colt. Sorry, what is it called? Tank top. I think it's sick. Yeah.
Holy shit, finally, these feel so nice.
These are his Aaron rods. Oh, here, you explain.
Honestly, grips are, and then these are glow in the dark. Here.
Oh,
No,
you can't show them. It's light.
Okay.
These are glowing the dark Eastern barons. We got two sets. We both wanted one.
Oh, nice. Danscomp calendar. Oh, your bike's actually right on it, right there.
These are our two cables. I can choose what color, so I chose clear. The Shadow Conspiracy, both of them, he chose yellow because he's trying to make his red bike. If you look right on the right, it's he's made it gold, white, and red. So yeah, that's those are those. And here's your.
Oh yeah. Okay, guys. This is, I'm pretty sure, my stem. I don't really know because it's my first time. Fuck, this hurts. Oh my gosh, so nice. See this? Oh my God, this is so nice. If you actually look at it, it's like gold. Holy.
This is my Odyssey Evo 2 pomegranate brake lever.
What is the brake lever?
And dance pump stickers. Oh, I already have one, but I gave my other one to my brother because I want the extra small one. So yeah.
Empty. Oh shit, stop it.
Alright, second box. Oh. In this box. Oh my God! Are you serious? You ruined it. This is my blue ProTech helmet because I'm going to camp and you need to have a helmet. So I ordered it in white and blue. Yeah. You got stickers and the box. This is not my box. Yo.
white Kenda tires, fully white. They're really nice. Oh my god.
And just the information and danscomp stickers right here. No, I'm actually really seeing here. And then here's my bike. Oh, right. I forgot. I do have actually more stuff in here. This is my cold sweater. The stacked cold sweater. I got it in red.
I actually wish they had a my size, but
Before we get to the bike, I'm just going to see if there's anything else. I think my stuff left. Oh. Oh. Alright, there's actually some in here. We got another dance comp shirt. Oh, and these I've been waiting for a while. I really wanted these. These are my Oakley sunglasses.
it's actually quite expensive glasses. I was actually thinking at them for how much it was, but it ended up being pretty nice. It's $100 and something.
Yeah, there's the box, some other stuff, and
Glasses.
yeah, here's the glasses. I got them in a purplish blue with a clear.
That's sick.
Yeah, these are them. I'm actually quite excited for these.
I'm gonna go show them where they are.
Oh wait, no, they're all cool. Wait. Alright, this is the premium right?
What the hell is that in there?
Yeah, hold the mic for a second. This, and I'm not sure what this is. I think it might be like the pedals and everything. Not really sure. Oh yeah, that's exactly what it is. It's pedals for the bike. Yep. Alright, let's see. We got the back brake. We got the cable. Odyssey twisted pedals. Obviously gonna take the reflectors off. Reflectors, you definitely need those. And premium owner's manual.
I'm gonna show them the oh my god, badass. That was a huge.
These are my premium subway bars. I'm surprised. I thought they were gonna be smaller. I'm actually excited that they're not small bars. They're actually quite nice. I'm just gonna put them over.
This is his seat is cramped and all that.
Here is how to everything to the top.
Yeah, big one.
Sure. Here is my Alienation black rim. It's actually quite nice.
I wouldn't be able to show you, but whatever. Oh yeah, you can. Yeah. Yo, you will have to take these off. Like, you're all about safety. I'm gonna make a spot for garbage. So we almost like this side.
This is the frame.
Hey guys, I just want to show you because I had nothing else to do because it's his bike. I want to show his knife engraved. You wouldn't be able to see it, but whatever. Actually, yeah, you can. Fucked up in this regard. Here, I want to see if it will work over there. Okay, here, I'll take that.
This is my premium subway and our in Boston. Please don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching. Don't be afraid to leave a comment and thank you. Check out our next video where we actually put it together. And then a couple videos after that, or maybe the next video, we'll do a review of all the parts and a bike check of our old and new bikes. Thank you for watching.